Yo, welcome back to the channel. The channel. Hey, the channel. The channel. Hey. All right, y'all.
What about them dogs today?
But today, we about to see why this car have water mixed in the oil. Let me show y'all that. Sun kind of bright over here today. Like a little milkshake.
Brings all the girls to the yard.
Y'all see that? Oh, it's a little chocolatey.
I like chocolate.
So I can get it back in the hole. So what we about to do? I already did a coolant compression test on here to see where it was leaking from, and we got a leak coming from this and somewhere down in here. I'm thinking it's the water pump. So they thought they had a blown head gasket, but we finna check that out. All right, guys, you got this clamp here. It's a size 8mm or a screwdriver, and sometimes if it's too tight, you can put some pliers on there just to turn it to get it loose and just pop it off here. This side already loose. I'm gonna take this whole hose off here to move it out of my way.
That's the first step of success.
Okay, and then for the fans, we gotta take this fan out because we're trying to get to the harmonic balancer down here. This is the main connector for the fan, which you push the tab here to release it. Like that. Let's put that to the side. And the size on this fan right here.
It look like a 10.
Where's my flashlight at?
Right there. Everything out here.
You can see it now. It look like a size 10. Yeah. You got one right here, and then you got one on the other side over here. So it's size 10mm. Screw it all the way up there. Oh, baby, you were supposed to get that tray from my screw, remember?
Aye, aye.
We said, aye, aye, aye. Let me see. You might can see over this side. It's right here. Should have me a stitching on that, but it's cool. Yeah, just pick up out of there, guys. That's fine, baby. Just sit this to the side.
See all that clean.
All right, guys. We about to take off this serpentine belt. Check out this little ratchet. Y'all know about it. That extendo version, double-sided.
Yeah, my
3/8, 1/4. So put your ratchet in here. Pull it up. Down. Pull it out, baby. All right.
And that's just the way it is.
That's just the way it is. Oh, pull it off that alternator back there. So I get it. Okay, that's the way to get down.
Size. Get them over there. Y'all, you can find the belt routing online, so if it ain't no car nowhere.
Ain't really worrying about it.
I draw it out. I need to see what size this bolt is on here.
Yeah, what side that boat look like down there? Drop it in the comment.
Size start changing.
That's the big one?
Now this is size 13, 16, y'all. This fitted much tighter. I don't have no play in that.
Nah. Ooh, we got just a little. Oh, you got a reverse on it?
Yeah.
Ooh, okay. That was quick.
That was quick.
Hey, dang, Chrysler, what you got going on? I know.
Tell me what year this is. I forgot.
This is 08, man. 08, y'all see it on the
Chrysler 300.
Yeah. No scat yet, but we gonna get the scatting.
Alright, guys. Gotta have this gear puller. Gotta have this gear puller tool to get that off with. So let's really come back, set that up, and put it in there.
Yep, it is.
This the gear puller. I'll show you how to connect it. I already put one in. We're gonna use the 4-inch arm size. Let's take it off like that.
What we pulling off with it?
The harmonic balancer.
Better know it.
Or the crankshaft.
Whoop-de-doo. Yeah. Whoop-de-doo. She's gonna show y'all some video. Yo. Alright, y'all. Listen here. Check this out. I had the jaw pulley she showed y'all earlier. But with this car, since these pulleys are like, I guess, interchangeable where you can switch sides from long to from 10 to 4. So what I had to do to get it in here, I had to bust them down one by one, turn them in there, put them back on one by one. You see what I'm saying? So if y'all got this PT Performance tool from O'Reilly, you're gonna have to bust it down one by one and then lock it back onto this and then put the screw in there. What we also did is I took another long screw, longer than the crank bolt. Let me show y'all the crank bolt. I got a screw longer than this bolt, stuck it in the middle of the hole, so when I'm pulling it out, I won't damage the thread. You see what I'm saying? I be hitting on that bolt while pulling it out. You see what I'm saying? So we're gonna give it a shot and pray that it works. You feel me? I only got a Pittsburgh 14 ratchet wrench. You feel what I'm saying? On my mama. Let's get it.
Want to hit that radiator.
Let them know.
It's coming off.
Look like it's moving slowly.
No, it's coming off slowly but surely. Yeah, it's coming off that down.
You heard me? There she is. Bone up her freaking teeth. There she is, y'all. I had it on the groove. You see them lock?
Yeah, you want to see how I lock in now.
That screw's a lifesaver, y'all. I'm telling you.
Yep. I see how the hook falls.
And you can use a tool from a van. So you get it. Play.
All right, y'all, I'm about to take this tension off for the serpentine belt. This is size 15 millimeter. Get your bolt in there. I mean, the socket in there. Turn it to the left. Loosen. I like this. So this light beginning to
Another infinity.
all right, got that out the way.
You moving both of them, huh? You gonna move both of them?
Yeah, you want to? This outer little pulley is a size 13. That's what I should have put my little gun on this one. Alright. Got those two pulleys off there.
All three pulleys off.
Oh, what three of them?
The harmonic balance.
Oh, yeah. Forgot about that one. So the rest of them look like they size. Gotta take all these out, guys, to get this timing cover off here so we can see the water pump.
Let's get it.
Yeah, we got this T40 for the start on right here. Got one of these, and then a quarter socket on the little ratchet sticking in there. Make sure y'all don't let it fall out. Hope I don't. So make sure it's on here. You already loosened it, huh? Yeah. Alright.
Dropping in the magnet.
The rest of the magnet. Alright, guys, the rest of these are 10s. I'm using the gun because it's taking forever. Hold on. And I got a side. Yeah, get this one up here, baby, so they can see that.
Right there, and then she got one in the middle, right there.
Oh,
Let's get that.
see that right there. The same size on that. Okay, they size 16 millimeter, guys. Stuck on it now.
you didn't have to reuse or reduce it. You know, my size is
Oh,
big.
well, I didn't want it to be so big where it wouldn't come back another.
Alright, it's a screw right here, guys. That I didn't even see. Yeah, that's how there's one right there. I'm thinking like
It's a screw right there. It's a 16, I'm thinking. Yep. It's a 16. Oh, it's hiding from me, y'all.
okay now. Now it should help.
Oh, man.
Oh, you see that? Man, coming out.
I'm blind on the inside of it.
Oh, yeah.
I hear water leaking.
Oh. Look at that monster madness. Oh, it's about to fill up the pan. I'm glad put that pan down. Yeah, making sure y'all put y'all oil drain pan down there. It might overflow because it's got water mixed in here, so it's definitely more lubricant in it than it need to have. Oh,
Look at that.
look at what, man? Oh,
Water.
let me get the light on it. Hold on. The water pump.
Gone.
So guys, if people tell you you have a blown head gasket,
Nah.
the water pump leaks inside of the oil when it goes bad.
And that's why.
And it give you that milky consistency
that.
in your oil.
Yeah.
Yeah. You said at the same time. But I'm still gonna do this compression test for y'all and let y'all see it coming out of there. About to do this coolant pressure test over here, baby. Get over here. We're gonna put some water in here. You gotta pump this coolant pressure test gauge up to cap says 16 pounds of pressure. Wait a minute, is that 16 or 18?
That's 18.
Oh, 18
Give or take.
pounds of pressure. So it's supposed to hold that. But let's get some water in here. Like that. I ain't even got it even turn no more.
Y'all see that?
I'm gonna stop right now. So that's what's been happening, guys. That's what's been happening. It's just been putting water inside of the oil that way and not the head gasket.
Yep.
So I ain't even have to do the pressure test.
No
It's
pressure
just that bad. So much for that. But guys, so they say you got a blown head gasket. Think about that water pump in there. You can save yourself thousands of dollars.
Millions. I'm just playing.
But since that, we're gonna replace the timing chain, the gears, and the cams. We're just gonna go and do the whole job. So y'all stay tuned for that video. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Share it, hype it up.
And we out.